Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna create a more useful and easy smoky eyes, but still dramatic. So as my shadow base, I'm gonna use the concealer by Maybelline, and this is the Age Rewind. I'm using the shade Fair, so I'm gonna spread it out all over my lid. This will help to stick the shadows in the place, and next I'm gonna highlight the brow bone and also the tear ducts of my eyes. So I'm gonna use this neutral beige eyeshadow by Artist of Makeup. And next, as my transition shade, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow called Paper Doll by Motivos Cosmetics, which is this amazing pink shade. And I'm gonna place this color with a fluffy brush in the lower lash line in my crease and also a little bit in the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm gonna blend this color in circular motions to diffuse the edges even more and create a soft transition shade. Next, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply this dark purple eyeshadow in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna blend in circular motions to my crease, adding the product a little at a time. And also what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line. And now to add more depth in the look, I'm gonna apply this gray eyeshadow. Is a dark gray, and I'm gonna use the same brush as before. So I'm gonna place this eyeshadow in the outer corner of my eyes especially, and also in the lower lash line. Next, in my eyes, I'm gonna add just a little bit of glitter. This is Pink by MAC. I don't want to use any glue or eyeshadow base for this glitter. I'm gonna use only the glitter in my eyelid. And also, I'm gonna apply my favorite fake lashes. So now I'm gonna do my skin. I'm gonna just apply my foundation all over my face, spreading with a damp beauty blender. Today I'm using the All Nighter foundation by Urban Decay. I love the coverage, is so good and looks flawless and has a matte finish. So now I'm gonna contour and highlight my face using the same concealer as before and also a little bit of contour. So I'm gonna blend all the cream products in my face and set using a translucent powder with my favorite brush, which is the Spotlight Duster. Next, I'm gonna apply blush. This is by Too Faced Cosmetics and is the color Justify My Love. I love this blush so much. And to finish off my skin, I'm gonna apply the prismatic highlighter Love Light by Too Faced, and this is the color Blinded by the Light. Moving on to my lips, now I'm gonna just line my lips using the Ecstasy lip liner or lip contour by George Cosmetics. I love this color so much. It's more to a plum shade. And next, I'm gonna apply this liquid lipstick by Kala. I love this lipstick. And right on top, I'm gonna apply a lip gloss. This is a transparent lip gloss by Maybelline. And that's the finished look. I really hope that you enjoy. I love how this makeup look turned out, and thanks so much for watching. Mwah. I see you later in the next tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video.